e-commerce, simply go to options and then e-commerce. Enabling e-commerce will allow customers to purchase items directly from your website. So simply flip this switch to enable e-commerce. Once that button is on, you'll see all the options and you can fill them all out. This button will require users to log in before they can actually make any purchase. So if you want people to register and log in before they're allowed to buy anything, simply turn that on. This field right here is where the orders are going to be emailed to. So you would simply type your email here or whatever email you want the orders to arrive at, and that's where they're going to go automatically. This button right here will enable users to send the order without actually making a payment. So this is excellent for restaurants or stores that order online and pick up in store or purchase in store. So if you have like a pizza place or something like that, customers can then submit the order without paying from the site, and then they can then pay in person. And here is where you would set your currency. And down here is where you would place your Stripe or your PayPal information. So if you want payments to be received, you would need some sort of account with PayPal or Stripe currently. And once you've set up an account, you would simply paste your key and your secret key right in these fields, and PayPal will tell you how to do that. And you can also follow these links down here to go to the menus where you can find those keys. Right down here is where you can add shipping. So this will add shipping automatically. So if you wanted to add increased costs, to Europe or America or across the seas or whatever, you can do increased shipping costs. And this can be a total or for each item. And you can also add taxes as well. So if you want to add like extra sales tax, you can do that automatically, and you can do a percentage or a fixed amount. And there's also options for the food ordering as well. So you can turn this on to ask which order type the customer wants, as far as, pickup, dine-in, delivery, curbside. And then you can also add an additional delivery cost if you want, and a minimum order for delivery. And you can do individual locations here separated by a comma. You can also ask for the time of order. So if the customer wants to pick up at a certain time, you can set your available hours so that they can only order within those hours. You can also allow tips, and that will be calculated automatically on checkout with our tip calculator. And you can also hide the add to cart button, and what this will do is this is going to hide basically the purchase button for every item, and this is excellent for arranging your store or your restaurant before it's actually ready. You can set up all your items, set up all your products, but people won't actually be able to order, and then you can turn this off, and then this will enable the purchase button for every product, and then they will be able to add them to the cart. So just turn this on if you don't want anybody to buy anything while you're setting up or testing, and then you can turn it on so people can purchase normally.